Hello everyone, I am Sanobar, Gate Architecture Mentor at Safal Together, and today I am going to tell you why the Warrior Batch is not just another coaching program. It is the most result oriented preparing model for gate architecture and planning. If you are serious about Gate Architecture 2026 and you want structured preparation, top tier faculty, accountability, and personal mentorship, this video is for you. Learn from the best. In the Warrior Batch, you will learn directly from IIT Kharagpur graduates, HPA Delhi alumni, gate rankers, and topper. This means you are not just learning content, you are learning strategy, approach, tricks, mindsets, and exam intelligence from people who have actually cracked the exam. This is the difference, learning from someone who studied the theory versus learning from someone who has conquered the exam themselves. Complete architecture coverage. Our Warrior batch covered everything needed for architecture part. History of architecture, building construction and structural system, building services and sustainability. And guess what? I personally teach the architecture content, ensuring clarity, sequence, visual, previous year question and easy retention. Exam strategy plus previous year mastery. You don't crack gate by just studying the syllabus. You crack gate by studying what gate actually asks. That's why the Warrior batch includes 10 years of previous year question pattern and identification, expected questions type, mock based learning, time management strategy. We don't just teach subjects, we train you to solve questions like gate examiner. Flexibility learning structure. It is basically designed for students as well as working professionals. We understand that many aspirants are pursuing B.Arch, doing internship or working full time. So the value batch comes with live classes, record access, topic wise modules and flexible self-paced scheduling. This ensures you never fall behind. You can study on your own time without stress. Doubts solved personally. Real mentorship, not just lecture. In Safal Together, you are not just a user ID, you are part of community. We conduct personal doubt clearing, one-on-one mentoring, study planning session, revision tracking, motivational support. We don't leave you alone with PDFs. We walk with you, your first class to your exam day, to your counseling, to your admission. So you are not alone, you are part of a tribe of achievers. So if you want IIT level guidance, SPA level design and planning exposure, clear simplified architecture teaching, real strategy for scoring 60 plus, community support, mentorship from people who have been where you are, then the Warrior batch at Shuffle Together is exactly the platform for you. Join today, link is in the description. Seat fill quickly and your present preparation journey begin the moment you enroll. Let's work together, let's aim for excellence, and let's make your dream college a real possibility. This is Sanobar signing off. See you in class.